This video series represents the reading of a document written in September 1800. In the June of that year, divisions and long-simmering tensions that existed in the Mohawk village on the Bay of Quinte sparked violent actions that took the lives of 2 community members and wounded others. Documented sources confirm that the killings of the 2 men really happened. Captain John Desarrontian, in his capacity of head of the village, called upon Captain William Claus, acting Deputy Superintendent of Indian Affairs, and other officials to come in to help the community, to investigate the events leading up to the violence, the resulting 2 murders, and to help the community mend the divisions so that they could go on in peace. Meetings took place spanning over 9 days. William Claus was a man that both Captain John Desarrontian and Captain Isaac Hill had known for years, and it is likely that many in the Mohawk village knew the men who accompanied Claus. There were 2 interpreters named in the document, so we know that much of what was said by community members was said in Kanien'kehá:ka and translated into English. In 1800, the community numbered about 135 people. The village consisted of houses and farms, stretching along an east-west road some 6 miles long, estimated from Boundary Road West to Lot 17, before Norway's Side Road. There was a church, located where the cairn is on Bayshore Road. There was a schoolhouse, which probably also served as the council house. At this time, community decisions were made by a council with chiefs named by the Turtle Wolf and Bear clans. The women were involved in clan discussions and the naming and deposing of chiefs. The women of the community were full participants, although their voices are not prominent in this document. Much of the proceedings took place at Captain John's house, which was most likely located east of the church in Culbertson Tract land. Captain Isaac Hill and his party did not live in the main village, but lived west of the village, beyond that stretch of road. These events took place only 16 years after the arrival at the Bay of Quinte in 1784. The violence that occurred was very personal, within a family, between half-brothers, and between their respective families, women and men. The need for a peaceful resolution was essential to the future of the community.